YouTube channel Olympia Fitness TV. Today we are going to discuss about the topic why 99% of people fail in their fat loss or weight loss. This video we are actually discussing only for the lifestyle people. This one I am not making this video for a competing bodybuilder or taking this as a profession. This is only for the normal people who trying to lose weight or fat. Our human body designed by God, the primary function of human body is to survive, not about losing fat or building muscle. So what a normal people do in usual days? Actually, they will wake up, eat food, then they will go to their office, then come back driving, then again in the house spending time. So our body actually built, the main purpose is to survive. So what the main energy source of our body is carbs. We are getting carbs such as any carb sources, such as if we eat potato, rice, bread, chapati, anything. This is all the carb sources. So uh, our brain energy source is also from the carbs. Our body cannot absorb directly carbs from the carb sources food. So what our body do is, whatever we eat carb food, it will be converted as glucose, and primarily it will send to our brain, because for brain this is the brain food, glucose. Then secondly it will send to our muscles. So once our muscle is full, then the extra glucose will be stored in the fat cells. In our muscle, the glucose is stored as muscle glycogen. So for a normal people who never train, just making diet for trying to weight loss or fat loss, what their body do is, if they eat more excess carbs, it will be converted as excess glucose. So once they finish sending to the brain, after that, when it comes to the muscle, body will think, oh, okay, you are not using our muscles for too much functioning, so we no need too much glucose. So the extra glucose, it will be stored in the fat cell for future use, because the body always think of its survival. So it will think like, if one day you didn't eat the food, so it can take the energy from the stored fat cell. That's why people getting obese or store fat, because normal lifestyle people, they are not doing any activities like cardio or going gym or weightlifting, so they don't need excessive glucose. So the people even going the gym as a lifestyle trying to lose fat, my suggestion is, you know my suggestion for people who trying to lose fat in a lifestyle is, go for keto diet. Keto diet, as we know, it's a type of diet consists of high protein and moderate fat and less, no carbs. So all the in keto diet, our primary source of energy it will be from the fat. So that our brain always, the main source of food energy for the brain is glucose. So what happened, we suddenly change to keto diet is, our body start to take energy from the fat. So for example, if you go gym for the first 3 days, you will feel weird, because you are not getting any carb source. You feel like lack of energy. You cannot lift the weight. But once you go to the gym, for example, you're doing starting with a barbell squat. So you're starting with a 60 kilogram. Once you do the 60 kilogram, you feel like you don't have the energy to do the exercise. But what here you do is, make the rest period little longer. So once you give the rest period longer, our body, the function of liver in our body is to produce energy from the stored fat cell, if our body is not getting energy source from the carb. So once your body is not getting energy source from the carb, it start to take energy source from the fat cells. The process is called as ketones. So here brain is using ketones instead of glucose for the energy. But once you start lifting heavy, your body sends signal, the brain sends signal to the liver to produce some kind of glucose until you finish the exercise. That process is called as glucogenesis. So your body can still produce the amount of required glucose from the liver to do the workout. So once you finish the workout, this process is shut down by the liver. So first 3 days you will feel weird because you're not eating carbs, you're not getting energy same before. So after the first 3 days, your body will get used to taking energy from the ketones, that is fat cells. So once you get used to this, before in the previous diet you are using the carb. What our body doing is, if you eat carb, what will happen? In the blood sugar will increase. If the glucose is excess in your blood, the blood sugar will increase. When blood sugar is increased, insulin will be spike. So once you eat your carb source, your insulin level will be high. So then again you didn't eat for 2-3 hours, it will go down. So again you have the tendency to eat more food because your body need the carb source from the glucose. So again you eat the one, for example, you eat one junk food, burger or something, your glucose will go up, insulin will spike, then again after 3 hours, 4 hours, it will go down. So that's why your body getting the tendency to eat the junk food when you are on carb diet. So for the people who looking for lifestyle, trying to lose weight, if you go to the keto diet, first 2-3 days you will feel weird because you are not getting energy source from the carbs. But as I told you before, once after 3 days your body will adapt. Same like example, your car is working on the petrol, but you are switching to diesel. Like that, your brain will adapt after 3 days to get energy source from the ketones. So once your brain is adapted to accept energy from the ketones, your insulin level in the blood will be maintained because you are not getting, your glucose is very low in the blood sugar will be low, and the insulin there will be stable. So you will not get the tendency to cheat on your diet. Another way is low carb diet. It will also work because as soon as your carb intake is low, the blood sugar glucose will be low and the blood sugar will be low, so the insulin spike will not happen. But the problem is still there is a tendency that you will feel cravings to the sweets or something because still your brain is functioning depending on the glucose. So still you can get a tendency for your craving to eat something sugary or sweety. But if your willpower to do is stronger, go for the low carb diet. But if you cannot control your feeling about the craving of the food or something, it's better depend on the keto diet. But keto diet I recommend every 2 weeks you need to give a break, like cheat meal, so that a refeed day. As we know, all over the world COVID patients are increasing, and especially in our country it's mainly because of the lack of exercise or cardio, or lack of eating the nutritional food. That's why our immune system and immunity power is very low in our country, because you know that as our country people, they lack of knowledge in nutrition and lazy in doing exercise or workout. So I recommend, even if you didn't go gym, at least try to maintain a healthy lifestyle by eating healthy food, high protein diet, stick to your diet, and don't always eat junk food, and take care of your health and take care of your family. I hope you all enjoy your video. Please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.